What is missing from machine programming? A generally applicable industry standard. Without a standard, however, machine users and machine builders would talk past each other. So one of them specifies its standard. This standard must then be communicated to everyone involved in countless training sessions. In addition, every change must be immediately retrained. This is hardly feasible for a larger project. That's why development statuses are often frozen and the innovative power at the same time. Another limitation is that development can only take place on manufacturer-specific hardware. None of this would be necessary if the entire industry were to agree on a uniform standard. With the Selmo standard, this wish can become reality. Selmo is accessible, learnable, and applicable for everyone, a true industry standard. Our tool for process modeling, software creation, import, and implementation is the Selmo Studio. With it, about 50% of the conventional programming scope is already created in a standardized way. This allows the programmer to focus entirely on describing the logical process. With the Selmo standard, there are also no longer any manufacturer restrictions. The model can easily be imported to any hardware. For your machine, Selmo is like insurance against unplanned downtime. Any deviation is detected in real time. If no error is indicated, the machine is actually error-free, unlike conventional programming. Wondering what risk you're taking with Selmo? You'd better ask yourself what risk you're taking if your programs don't guarantee you complete control over your machines. So start now for a risk-free future. We know every step of the way and will guide you from problem to solution. The solution is software that never lets you down.